Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So in previous video we have modeled a basic 3D object which is just a cylinder, and we used extrude command which you can see here. So all the commands you use in future will be listed here, and all the parts that created will be listed here. So in this video we will explore more about the extrude command. So first of all, we can just delete this extrude command, and we can click here extrude command again, and here you can see there are three options given here. One is solid, a surface, and thin. So solid, it will create a solid object, so we have to select a sketch. So we will select this sketch. So the part here is a solid object. Now if you want to make a surface, we can click here and we can choose the outer edge, and it will make a surface body. So surface body doesn't have any thickness, and we can also do thin. Thin is just like surface, but it has some thickness. So we have to select the edge, and here we can see we can give thickness 1 and thickness 2. So let's say thickness 2 is also 5. Now you can see the yellow circle is our sketch, and thickness 1 that gives a outer thickness, and the thickness 2 gives the inner thickness 5 millimeter. So for now we will just select solid, and you can choose the value from here. Let's say for 50 here, and this object will be created as new, so we can just click OK here. Now we will create another sketch, and we will create the sketch on top of our previous object. So select the sketch. As you can see, the sketch plane here is face of extrude 1. So the sketch is on top of our previous part 1. Now in this case we will create a rectangle, and there are a lot of rectangle. One is corner rectangle, and other is corner rectangle, and one is align rectangle. For now we will just create a center rectangle. Now we can give the dimension by using D from our keyboard, or we can just click here. Let's say this is 40, and let's give this 50. Now we can just click OK here. Now again we can use extrude command, and now we will select this rectangle sketch. So as soon as we select the sketch, it created a part in add option, so it will add to our previous object. Now if you want to make it separate, we can select new here, and a separate object will be created here, and it will be called part 2. Now we can also remove the sketch from our previous object. Now we have to select remove from here, and here you can see it removes from part 1. Now we can also do intersect. So intersect means it will create a intersect body where part 1 and part 2, our new part, will intersect with each other. Now we can also see some options given here. One is blind. For now we will just click new here, and for blind, we can set value from here, so 100, and we can give any value on blind option. And there are lots of options given here. One is up to next, up to face, up to part, up to vertex, and through all. So if you select up to face and select the face on the other area, so as you can see, the part will be created from the sketch entity to our face that we selected. You can also new here add, you can also remove from this, or you can also intersect from this. Now there are lots of options given here, up to part, up through all, so it will go through the body, and up to vertex, you can select a point here. Let's say we can select the origin, and it will create a part from the sketch to the selected vertex or point. For now we will select blind, and you can reverse the direction by just using this arrow symbol. Now there are other options given here like direction and which direction you want to extrude. You can select any plane or any line where you want the direction. And there is also starting offset, so the part will be created from a offset. Now the offset is given by default is 25. We can also increase or decrease, so the part will be offset from the sketch by 50 millimeter. Now you can also do symmetry here. So symmetry means it will create the object from both direction. So here is our sketch, and the object is created in both direction. So 50 millimeter from here and 50 millimeter from here. So this is symmetry. And there is other option given here, which is draft. So in draft it will create an angle. So you can see it by default it is 3. If you increase it by, let's say, 10, so you can see there is angle here which is 10 degree. So the angle is outward. You can also do inward by just clicking this icon. Now what is a draft? So if you have noticed any plastic parts like a bucket, you can see the bucket is not straight, it has some angle given here. So why this bucket or any other plastic parts are angled? So these parts are made in a machine called plastic injection molding machine, uh, where a mold is used to make this part. Now if you do plastic injection molding, and let's say if you don't give draft or angle, if you just give it straight, then it will not come out from the mold. It will stuck on the mold. So that's why it is angled, so that it can come out from the mold. You can choose any value here from here, and here is second end position. You can also keep the position from another position. So here is, you see there is same option given here, blind, up to next, up to face, up to part, and you can just give value here, let's say 100. So it has two direction. One is first direction, and this is the second direction. And you can also do draft from here, and you can also do now. That's it for this video. In our next video we will talk about these revolve, sweep and loft.